Hey. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Wendu Isaac, and today I'm going to be showing you my eyebrow routine. It's going to be an eyebrow tutorial, very beginner friendly. For those of you that didn't know, I actually went to makeup school back in Nigeria, so I'm going to share what I learned in school and also some other techniques that I've picked up over the past, I don't know how many, like 5 years, about how to get the perfect eyebrow. My face is already done, so I'm just going to do my eyebrows. It's going to be a short tutorial. So without saying too much, let's jump right in. So now we're really up close and personal because I really want to get into the brows and make you see what I'm doing. For me, my brows don't usually give me too much stress because I already have like full brows, but I'm still going to show you how I generally feel in my brows and also tell you like the important things to know about eyebrows. This is going to be like three important things to know about eyebrows. The first thing to know about eyebrows are your eyebrow mappings. So there is the beginning of your brow here, which you should generally measure by the side of your nose with a brush like this or whatever you have to use. You have the arc, which is generally measured like this. So this is where your arc should be, especially for people that don't have full brows and you're like drawing it out. You really want to follow this measurement, and the end of your brows, which ideally should be here. I'm going to use something to create a mark so we know where we're supposed to fill in. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using the Colourpop Eyebrow Gel in the color black and brown. I'm going to go ahead with this small angle brush by e.l.f. and I'm going to create a line there. So this is where my brow should end. This should be the arc and the beginning. The second thing you need to do is that depending on how full or how not full your brows are, you don't want to draw in your brows too much. So if you're using like a brow gel or a pencil, you want to go in with like really light feathery strokes. Now what you want to do is outline the brows before filling it in. So I'm going to use this stuff. Just pick it with my angled brush. And you can use like a pencil or like a gel or what else is there? Yeah, pencil or gel to do this, but I'm using a gel for this tutorial and I'm just lightly outlining. Okay. And I'm not going to outline the front part of my brows because I want it to still have like the natural look. I don't want it to be to look too drawn in, but I'll just take it as close to my front part as possible. Now the next part is to outline the top part as well. So now that my brows are outlined, I'm going to just fill in the sparse areas very lightly. I'm not taking any more product because you can see it's already looking dark and my brow. So I'm just going to fill in very lightly. So you want every part of your brows to be like covered. So when I get to the front part of my brows, I'm going to fill in an upward motion. And the third thing you need to know about eyebrows is you definitely need to highlight, basically correct any areas that probably you had made a mistake, like for example this one here that's, you know, looking like Dracula. And also it will also help your brows like really stand out and look really clean, so you're like cleaning the areas. When I started makeup, I was using like an angled brush for this step. An angled brush also like works perfectly, but I've been using the Real Techniques detailer brush. Important things to note when you're concealing your brows is if you're going to conceal the top parts of your brows, you want to use like your foundation color or like a concealer that is like like a true match to your foundation, because you don't want that halo look. But for the one under your eyes, you can go like 1 or 2 shades lighter, but be careful so you don't look crazy. Okay, thank you. I'm going to use the LA Girl High Definition Concealer in the color Warm Honey. And with eyebrows, like, don't be mad at yourself if you're not getting it the first time, because it took me like years. Even like now, I've not seen my set brows, so took me years. So what you want to do is you want to take your concealer and go right under the brow bone. I like to blend in downwards because you don't want any harsh lines. Blending is key. Just to make sure everything is blended, I also like to go in with like a fluffy brush and blend that out, or I'll use like my fingers to blend it out. For the top of my brows, I'm going to use this Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the color Deep Golden, because this is like really close to my skin tone. But you also want to be careful not to take away the arc when you're blending the top, because then I don't even know how to describe the brow that you have. This step is not always necessary, like concealing the top part of your brows. Just, you know, wing it. Just see if you need it. And for this part, I like to blend upwards, upwards motion. And the last step, you want to set your brows just the same way that you set your face. You want to set your brows as well. To use this eyebrow gel by Blot Beauty, and this is the color brown. You can use like a clear color or like a whichever color that you like. I'm just using this color. And this is going to make sure that your hair stays in place, and it's good especially for people that have oily brows and your brows always get smeared throughout the day. So you can see this is one brow done and this is the other one not done, and you know, it's looking kind of good if I do say so myself. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this other brow, do my eye look, and I'll be back. So this is the finished look. I'm gonna have a video up on this eye look and the rest of my face. Look out for that. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also follow me on my social media. I'll leave my handles down below. Okay?
Hey, beautiful, 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 beautiful angel. Love your imperfections, every anger. Tomorrow comes and goes before you know. So I just had to let you know.